Alright, hi. Today we're going to be seeing how strong Minecraft Steve actually is. How do we know Steve's strong? He lifts heavy blocks. What's the heaviest block? Let's find out. Most people would probably say the gold block, because one gold block is 42,000 pounds. But no, we can go way further than that. Even though the gold block is that heavy, we can go way further. For example, water. I mean, one block of water is already 2,000 pounds, but that's just one block of water. Want to know how much one block of water is? It's a bucket. So holding a full inventory of water buckets, Steve's already holding 81,000 pounds. Now that's still way less than gold, especially because buckets don't stack, but you'll see. What happens when water gets cold? Turns into ice. Just a stack of ice blocks is already 140,000 pounds. And that's just one stack. So when Steve holds a full inventory of ice, he's holding 5 million pounds. But wait, we can go further. Do you see where I'm going with this? 9 ice can be crafted into 1 packed ice. 9 packed ice turns into 1 blue ice. So when Steve holds a full inventory of blue ice, he's holding 420 million pounds. Shulker boxes have the unique property of holding items even when they're broken. It has 1 crafting table. So, if we fill it entirely with blue ice, then maybe it will be a little bit more. Because one of these shulker boxes is already 410 million pounds, and we can fill our whole inventory with them. So when Steve holds a full inventory of shulkers, all filled with blue ice, he's holding 15 billion pounds with 2 hands. Many other YouTubers have also gotten to exactly where I am. The problem is, they weren't insane enough to go further. There's an item in Minecraft called the chest boat. It's a boat with a chest. So in that chest, we can put, I don't know, a full chest of full shulkers of stacks of blue ice. This is an entity. Fun fact about entities, they fall and land on your head. Besides the permanent brain damage, they stack. Do you see where I am going with this? I can take a chest boat full of these shulkers and put it on my head. Now, I can hold a full inventory of the shulkers. At that moment, Steve was holding 30 billion pounds, half of which were on his head. We can spawn more of these. And now we have 4 chest boats. And now we have more chest boats. And if we keep adding chest boats and filling them all with shulkers, yeah, I know, this is a very boring ending. Steve can hold infinity pounds. But he can't. And here's why. You can see right now I'm at 120 FPS. Spawn a bunch of endermites. And eventually, when I look at them, my frames are going down. The problem is, entities lag your game. And if something lags your game enough, it's gonna crash. Now I don't really know how many chest boats it's gonna take to crash the game, but it's definitely a lot. So, we're gonna find out. Now we're gonna see how many entities it actually takes to crash the world. Here we go. It's gonna be even worse. Watch this. Be free! Well, we've made a chess boat fountain. I guess this is what we have to do for science nowadays. All we have to do now is just wait until the chess boats crash the world, so, I guess I'll just stay here. Oh, it crashed! Finally, dude, let's go. So after all this, Steve can carry 194 trillion 66 billion 190 million pounds.